Myntri jang tnat Food and Civil Supply Bah Comingone emban layu I mantakasngi kapaki MLA jang kalyang persa kidang persang keli jeng keli hakawya dai badu khawrasan yo ibana kalyang Myntri ulah kumar jeng bot umsam la setiap ban jubab tadadu bau Myntri rang ba kajerla kontrat kesang ma ulah ban jubab ya kajing keli kepala bu dau MLA kanong thamai ubak Charles pengrup hakawya dai berkajing yo ekikat rasan.
There are still so many consumer or household that has not registered themselves with Aadhaar. So I would like to request through you, sir, to the Department of Food Civil Supply that even though there are strict guidelines from the central government, so to find ways and means for those households who have not registered with Aadhaar or to haven't linked their Aadhaar with the system. So I would like to request the department to look into so that those people, those beneficiaries, those consumers, they wouldn't be deprived of their rights.
Sure, the point is noted, sir. But Ronnie Willindo, please.
So to you, I would like to request the Minister if he can furnish us also the guidelines of Government of India, Consumer Affairs, so that we can be conversant with the guidelines so we can help our people, sir. Request through you to the Minister, sir.
Sir, I will lay in the table of the House. So now we move. Charles, please.
So may I know from the Honourable Minister the norms required to acquire a ration card for a family or an individual, sir? Who is eligible for a ration card, sir? May I know? Everybody is asking me ration card.
Mr. Speaker, sir, so there are different criteria and parameters for eligibility under the NFSA. So it all depends on which area that you are in. So obviously, if it's a rural area, the conditions are different. In an urban area, the criteria are different. We can lay it on the table of the House if necessary. It's a long list. If you would like us to read it,
No.
then we can read it. But this entire list is here. We can lay it on the table of the House, sir.
So, the reason I asked this question, in the urban areas, a lot of families request the representatives that if they can get hold of a ration card. So, like, we don't know when was the last census taken and when the last enumeration was done to provide the families with ration cards. So, I'd like to know from the Honourable Minister, when will be the next enumeration to be done so that they can be included under the ration card scheme.